Hello and welcome to another episode of Hot Stocks with Jimmy Jackson. Alright folks, so today we're diving into one of the most overlooked Chinese tech plays on the market, Weibo Corporation, ticker code WB, and it's currently traded on the Nasdaq. So you've probably heard of Twitter, right? So imagine Twitter mixed with Instagram and Reddit, but for over 500 million Chinese users with real profits and now trading at a fraction of its former valuation. So while tech giants like Alibaba and Tencent steal the spotlight, Weibo quietly delivers serious numbers, and right now it's trading at levels that value investors are seriously eyeing off. So is this a hidden gem flying under the radar, or is there more risk here than reward? Let's break it down. Okay, so what is Weibo and what happened to the stock? Weibo is often called the Twitter of China, but honestly, that undersells it. It's one of China's most influential social media platforms, combining microblogging, video content, influencer marketing, and live interaction, all rolled into one. It was spun off from the Sina Corporation way back in 2014 and became a public company traded on the Nasdaq. For years, it was the go-to stock for China tech bulls. But since 2021, it's not so rosy. The stock has fallen over 90% from its highs. Why? China's tech crackdown spooked investors. Same story as Alibaba, Tencent, and many others. Ad spending dropped in a slowing Chinese economy, and Weibo's primary revenue source disappeared. Delisting fears and overall geopolitical tension between the US and China added much more pressure. Lastly, being in the shadow of bigger names made Weibo easy to overlook. But that's exactly why this might be an opportunity right now. So where does Weibo stand? So today, Weibo is trading at around about $8.50 a share with a market cap of just over $2 billion. Compare that to the fact that it did 1.7 billion revenue last year and turned a profit of more than 170 million. That's a company with a positive cash flow, millions of daily active users, and a rock-solid presence in Chinese media. Let's put that into perspective. Price-earning ratio, under 10. Cash position, very strong. User base, over 250 million daily active users, and still growing. This is a real business with real users and real profits, yet the market is valuing it like it's going out of business. What's the disconnect? That's where opportunity lives for us. Okay, this looks like to be a buy right now, and why? Here's the case for the bulls. It's undervalued. Market cap is tiny relative to user base and revenue. You're getting a cash flow positive company for dirt cheap. China is now reopening. As the Chinese economy slowly recovers, advertising spend is coming back, and Weibo's primary revenue stream obviously increases. And high engagement platform, Weibo still dominates celebrity, entertainment, and influencer content in China. It's sticky, trusted, and embedded, just like Twitter. Strong operating margins. Even tough conditions, Weibo has remained profitable. Not many social media platforms can say that. And ownership by Sina and Alibaba, which are strategic investors, and they're still very much on board. They're big players they're holding, and that's definitely worth noting. And let's not forget, tech stocks tend to recover hard once sentiment returns. So if you're into value investing with a contrarian edge, Weibo might be exactly what you're looking for. Yes, the China risk is real. Yes, volatility is high. But in terms of asymmetric upside potential, Weibo checks all the boxes. It's generating profit. It has a loyal user base and is trading at levels that severely underestimates its relevance in Chinese digital media. The bottom line, Weibo is a real business with real earnings. Trading at a price suggests that it's been completely forgotten by the market. That's usually where the smart money starts looking. And if you want to know exactly what I'm doing with this stock, jump onto the website www.hotstocks.vop and join up. You'll get full access to deep dives like this, my weekly picks, and everything else this channel offers. So, Weibo might just be the value play no one's watching yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.